We're in the city of Beverly Hills. On this project, we enclose the front property with our laser cut design, beautiful panels, 100% aluminum, 100% powder coat, and 100% made in the USA. We have 3 doorbirds. There's one here for this entrance. This gate is motorized. This project came out beautiful, flawless. We came up with a new design here. We're making a column out of our aluminum, which there it is there. We have a mailbox coming out of there, and we have a second doorbird here for this entry door. And here's our third doorbird and the second motor we have here installed. This motor is energized. I'll show you guys how they operate. So there's the door in operation. Again, this door is built out of slope, which here at Mulholland, we specialize in slope gates. So that's the gate in the opening position. I'll go ahead and get a quick inside view. There's our small motors. No more big ugly motors here. There's the view from the inside. There you have it, guys. Another beautiful project by Mulholland.